Alright, so Oliver and I are here in my office. So we'll just get myself in this here. Hi. Alright. This is the, what kind of 3D printer is this? Monoprice Maker Select. V2. And right now we're 3D printing Mr. Poopy Butthole, who I will show you.
From Rick and Morty.
From Rick and Morty. Probably important that we make note of that. But yeah. So it's doing a good job so far. But anyway, what this video... Well, yeah, so far we like this 3D printer, I would say. It was about $320. It's pretty good value. But what this video is really about, it's about the Saltine challenge, which Oliver has, you know, he's pretty confident that he could do it. Yeah. So 6 saltines
in a minute.
In a minute.
I'm gonna wait for 45. 1, 3, 4, 5.
You got it. You got it. It's about 30 seconds right there, I believe.
Not 15. You got 5, 4.
So you weren't able to complete the Saltine challenge?
No. Got close. I think with a little training, could probably do it though.
Probably not, but...
I could probably...
The next thing we 3D print, we will... we will do another Saltine challenge. For now, it's just 5 saltines and Mr. Poopy Butthole.
6, I ate the last one.
Yes. Thanks for watching.